tie the straps on Boreline FlexiRiser, you're going to take your strap, take the seam side down, slide it through the solid rib on the back of the hose. You're going to attach the power cable in the center there. Easiest way to go is go around it once, hold it there, go around again, and then you'll feed that same strap back through the center that you just created. Once that's been tied, go around the hose to the strap and pull it tight. So hold the strap in place. In Boreline, you put straps every 2 locations. So if you have a loop here, you're gonna find the next loop. This is one loop. You're gonna skip this loop, come over to the second loop, and that's where we'll put our next strap. When tying the straps, it's important to make sure you have adequate amount of slack of power cable. If you see here, it's taut along the line. We like to add about a hand's width of extra for slack. So you can see, gonna move hand width of slack, and we'll start tying the cable, just like we did the first one.